guys, it's Kel and I'm back with another one. Today we're gonna do a skin video. Some of y'all may know that I had recently gone on a skin journey. Still kind of on it because my skin still looks kind of like bleh. But if you want to see that skin video, I'll put it either in the description or up here somewhere. But also, back then I was using the TULA Acne All-Stars Trio. So I used the cleanser, the toner, and the moisturizer. And then I was also using the Dr. Dennis, where's it at? The Dr. Dennis Alpha Beta Pill things. So my skin has kind of been like, okay, girl, we get it, but you need to try something else. So today I'm going to be trying quite a few new things. We'll see how this goes. But I've been hearing a lot about Roche Posay. So I got their Purifying Foam Cleanser. And then I got their Double Repair Face Moisturizer. But in between those, because I like toners, but some people say like you really don't have to do that if you're using this stuff. So I was already, I tried out the Ordinary, what is this? Grand Active Retinoid is 2% in squalene. But then today when I got these from Ulta, I got the Ordinary's niacinamide 10% plus zinc 1. And then I also got the Alpha Arbutin 2% plus HA. So it's a lot going on here. I guess we'll try all this out and see what my skin does. And then after this, we'll just, yeah. So this is day one. Like I literally just came from the store and was only going for, I wasn't even going for this stuff. They say you're supposed to use stuff for the cell regeneration cycle is 28 days. But for the sake of this video, I'm just gonna do a week. Okay, so day one, I really like this. This smells good, not too much. It feels good on my face and it lathers very well with the stem brush. This I like because it doesn't make me look like greasy. But these, because, okay, so the lady said to use both of these at night because under makeup, they do what they just did on my face. So like, they kind of like roll up and like kind of stick. And so, yeah. I'm definitely going to use these at night, and then I'll use my
So overall, when it came to the La Roche Posay products, I was pretty skeptical because you get so much for so little. I do honestly think that the little difference that I seen was from the 2 serums, and just using them consistently overnight for 7 days. But nevertheless, you guys let me know what you think. Here are my results. Of course, always like, share, and subscribe. I love you. Jesus loves you. And I will see you in the next one. Bye.